Welcome to TrackOurTeam.com's video training sessions. In this session, we will be learning how to add sports facilities to our master table section of TrackOurTeam. The first thing you have to do is log into the system. So place the cursor, if it's not already in the user ID box, place it there and type in the user ID that was assigned to you and touch the Tab key. The cursor will now be located in the password field. So type in the password that was assigned to you for using TrackOurTeam and touch the Tab key. The cursor will now be located in the company ID field, and the company ID relates to your specific team and is automatically set by TrackOurTeam software. So all you have to do to finish logging in is click OK. And the system will take you to this menu showing a list of the various functions within TrackOurTeam. We will click on Master Tables, and a list of the various master tables appears on the screen. Your screen may look slightly different than this screen, but you should locate the Sports Facilities Master Table and click one time, and the Sports Facilities screen will appear. You will notice some buttons at the top of the screen: Add, Change, Inquiry, a left arrow, right arrow, and a delete key, which is not actually turned on unless we actually have a record on the screen. If we want to see a list of the various sports facilities we have in the system already, we can simply click on the magnifying glass to the right of facility number, and a list will appear in numerical order. If we want to change the way it appears, if we want to see them in alphabetical order, you can click on the magnifying glass to the right of facility name. You'll now see a list of the facilities in alphabetical order. I'm going to click on Cancel and go back to the main screen, and I'm going to go to Add Mode. And you'll see that the Add button is now depressed, and this cursor is located in the facility number field. I will hit the Tab key, so hit the Tab key, and the cursor will now be in the facility name field. So in this field you can type in the name of the facility, and I'm going to call this one Baseball Central, and touch the Tab key. Also, on any field in the system, if you need help, you can always hit the F1 key, and you'll see help on the screen. And to get out of help, you can simply click Cancel. So we're now located in the address field. I'm going to type in 555 North 1st Street. And there is a second address line in case you need it, but in this case I'm not going to use that. And I will hit the Tab key and go to the city field and type in Tulsa, and touch the Tab key. I can now type in the 2-letter abbreviation for the state, Oklahoma, and hit the Tab key, and now I can type in the zip code and touch the Tab key. And if there's a contact there, you can type in the contact's name. I'll say Mr. Jones, and touch the Tab key. And now I'm located in the phone number field, and I can type in 555-111-2222. You'll notice I do not have to type in the dashes, because when I hit the Tab key, as I'm going to do now, the dashes automatically appear for me. Then I can type in the email address for Mr. Jones. So I'm going to say mjones@bbc.com. The next step in the process is to click Save, and it saved that record. Now the Sports Facilities Field/Courts screen appears, and you'll notice that Baseball Central has been selected. So in the event that there are more than one field or court at this facility, you can specify the specific fields or courts you will practice or play on. In this case, I'm going to add field 1 by typing in 01 and click Save. I can now add field 2 and click Save. I can continue on this basis until I have all the fields or courts entered. Once I am finished entering all the fields and courts, I can click on the No More Records field because I have everything entered. The system will now return to the basic information for sports facilities and is prepared to allow you to add an additional facility. In this case, I'm through working with the sports facilities master table, so I will click on the door to close the door or exit the program. The system will now return you to the master tables menu. You can now go into any other function of your desire in TrackRT, or you can exit the system. In this case, I'm going to exit the system by simply closing the door. We want to thank you for using TrackRT.com's video training sessions, and if you have any comments or need assistance, please feel free to contact us. You can find out how to contact us on our contact screen, and we appreciate you using TrackRT.com.